everyone. In today's video, we are uncovering the power of accessibility in UX design. Did you know over 15% of the world's population has some form of disabilities? Are your designs reaching them? When someone has a hearing impairment, visual impairment or cognitive disabilities, accessibility ensures that they have a seamless experience. Let's talk about the accessibility features of elevators. For visually impaired people, standard buttons doesn't make sense. That's where Braille comes in. Braille provides tactile information, allowing someone who is blind or has low vision to understand which button corresponds to which floor. Wait, I know what you're thinking. As a digital UX designer, why should I care about this? But yes, you have to. For your understanding, let's see accessibility in a digital product, YouTube. Auto captioning ensures that people who are deaf or hard of hearing can still engage with the content. And finally, that's a wrap on today's video. Keep designing for everyone from everywhere. Thanks for watching. See you.